Madonna's, big up on a nice clean self. Yes, Madonna's them there everywhere. Alright, so I need enough to subscribe to the page so we can actually start going live, because I want to start go live. This page is going to, I have to have 50 subscribers for me to start going live. And this page is going to be mostly about my family, daily vlogs, little stuff like that. I'm not gonna do any food over here. It's just family stuff, like communication with my family. You know, sometimes do any little thing, show you little stuff that I do on the road. It's just like a little vlog channel. So I need 50 subscribers to start going live, because I wanted to go live the other day, but I could not go live. I have so much video that I want to upload on here. When my son came home from the army, so forth. So I'm gonna upload those videos, and then hopefully I get 50 subscribers so I can start going live. Alright, so for the first time I've been here in America, I've been into America for how many years? 9. January coming is going to be 10 years. 1 decade I've been here. And you're gonna know a little personal stuff over on this channel about me and my family and everything. So I have never gone to a dressmaker to build a dress for me. This is my first dress that I made since I came to this country. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna fit it on. I'm still in my PJs, so you guys know these PJs already, and you're gonna know it a lot more because Gracie, my friend Gracie, bought it for me last year Christmas from Victoria's Secret, and it is very comfortable. And I went there the other day, and they had I saw one on clearance, and I purchased it. Very nice. I think I have videos of it. Those, so like little stuff like that, I'll start showing on this channel. Okay, please remember to hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated, and subscribe if you don't already subscribe. So here is the outfit. It need to wash, because I really don't like to put fabric on my body that is not washed, but I am going to put it on. I'm going to put my bra on and put this on. So I have a trip coming up to go to Florida next week, and I wanted this outfit for my date. Guys, I have clothes, but I went to the fabric store and I saw this material and just catch me. And let me tell you, a simple dress like this back home would never cost me that money to make. Like, it's a simple top. Yeah, it's a simple top, and it's stretchy, and it's a simple skirt. But anyways, let's see how I rock this outfit. Here we go. Oh, I love this. Yeah, my belly really full right now. Yeah. So there it is. My belly full, guys. Drink a big bowl of overnight soup not too long ago. So my belly kind of shoot up in there. But me I go on my trip next week, and the plan was to carry this. But my trip is gonna be cold. Where it's at, it's gonna be cold in Florida, so I can't wear this. So you guys see it before everybody else. Yes, before them actually see me in there. So I went to the fabric store and I saw this, and it catch my eyes, and I said, you know, I like tie-and-dye, but this is my own style. So I'm gonna make the dressmaker make this for me. I really need to take it off because it's dirty, you know. I don't know where the fabric coming from or anything like that, but guys, it fit my color, my skin. So just imagine when we do my ear. Yeah, me not gonna put on the extra piece there right now because I could have put on fit up one little wig on my head and it would have just sell off. But I love it. I really loved it. I have to just soft wash it. I don't want to put it in the washing machine and, you know, blow it out and dry it and make it stretch well. But yeah, actually I gotta go back to the dressmaker to make sure make a couple more things to me. I was pleased, and me make sure make it out where it kind of cover my armpit because my armpit fat, you know, hormones, it fat. I don't want to have it hanging a show. I don't like sleeveless. I don't want to know how much I pay if I make it. Drop in the comment section. But we tell you in the comment section if you don't ask. But at Jamaica, I think maybe if it was Jamaica, they maybe would have charged me about 2,500 Jamaican dollars to make this. Let me know in the comment section if you really want to know how much I pay for making. The material was $7 a yard and it's 2 yards. So that's $14. So the material, I have to buy the material. And then let me know in the comment section if you don't want to know how much. I will tell you now in the chat. Okay? Big up on yourself and thank you so much for tuning in. God bless. Love you guys. Bye.